a songwriter. Oh, he tells us so many stories. He's such a joy the years that we've been together. And I want you to know that this November, he's going to be celebrating his 79th birthday, I believe. He's our own Hawaiian cowboy, the original Hawaiian cowboy, Uncle Saul K. Wright. His Hawaiian cowboy song with sound effects.
Roasted Monday, Derby, to find the Maui Island chicken, Julie got a caper on the lap by the sea. When the Lord my spurs to her tender sides, she wiggle, wiggle, wiggle all the way up to the hills and to the slopes. Oh, the way about the hotel, aloha, aloha, the Hawaiian cowboy. A Calico Katie is a party car, the pony chicken shooting her to keep her on the land by the sea. But I roll my spurs to her dead little sides. She steps like a bronco and dares to drive off to the hills, to the swings at the Luma, and on to San Francisco by the Golden Gate. Old Paul says the Hawaiian cowboy. Oh, lule, oh, la la, yeah, oh, lule, oh.
Roselani, oh Roselani, 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 Olay, olay.
Anh đã mấy dấu yêu hôn luôn là hết hết mấy dấu quý cái cho bạn đi hãy quên đang quên cả yêu cả lên con đường và thầm phầm mà đồ này hùa hãy vào hãy đi cả là con của cái của bạn đi cái là cái bạn ấy của thì nó mà nó là ông nó hết nào quay nào
Roselani, Roselani, oh Roselani, 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 olay, olay.
I'm heading for the land to road of the one over the other in the heart of the over the top of the line water to be a but it ain't a high and the other over the other in the heart of the Hawaii cowboy.
Olay, olay.